Hi, I'm Elias Thomas from Exit Key Real Estate, and I'd like to welcome you to one of my new listings, 29 Fox Ridge Run in Sanford, Maine. This is a contemporary home that is a single-level living, and it is so convenient to everything. It's convenient to downtown, convenient to Route 202 leading over to East Rochester, New Hampshire, and also 202 taking people to the Maine Turnpike. Standing here in the living room with contemporary colors, it's sort of a terracotta room, has a beautiful vaulted ceiling and a gas log fireplace, which not only creates ambiance but also throws a tremendous amount of heat. The use of contemporary colors throughout this house makes it a very warm and welcoming property, and I'll take you on a tour of some of the other rooms. I'm sitting here at the breakfast bar in the kitchen, and this kitchen is fully equipped with stainless steel appliances, refrigerator, freezer, dishwasher, gas stove and oven, and microwave. When you're standing at the kitchen sink, you can look out through the porch area and out into the front yard, where there is a small farm pond that's great for irrigation in the summer and fantastic for ice skating rink in the wintertime. Off the kitchen is a dining room that opens onto an open deck out in the backyard, overlooking the above-ground pool and landscape grounds. In the living room, we have hardwood floors. In the kitchen and dining area, we have ceramic tile flooring, which adds to the character of this beautiful home. In this house, there are 3 bedrooms on one level. As I mentioned before, there's a master ensuite with double closets and 2 other bedrooms with a Jack and Jill bathroom as well. Thanks again for visiting with me at 29 Fox Ridge Run in Sanford, Maine. I would love to show you this wonderful listing at your convenience. Please give me a call at any time.